Om Sri Sai Ram. Hearty welcome to Sri Sathya Loka Seva Gurukulam online class in mathematics. How are you all? Happy? Okay. Get ready with your pens, books. Okay. Don't get up in the middle. Only half an hour, maximum 35 minutes. You have to sit and let us just recall what we have studied in the previous class. An algebraic equation is an equality involving variables. What is variable? The value of which is not known. For example, if you have an equation like x plus 3 is equal to 4. What is the variable here? X is the variable. Why? The value of which is not known. Okay. This is called linear equation, or also called as algebraic equation, because there is an algebraic term here, x. It may be plus also, it may be minus also, like this. So these are called algebraic terms. Therefore, it is called algebraic equation, because the degree, linear equations are the equations having one variable of 1 degree. X plus 3 is equal to 4. This is a linear equation because there is one variable here. Similarly, here a minus 3 is equal to 5. One variable of degree 1. This is called degree. It is not written here, x to the power of 1, a to the power of 1, etc. Then you may ask, suppose there is 2 degree, what will happen? Then we call it as quadratic equation. Suppose you write x squared is equal to 25. Here the degree is 2, correct? We call it as quadratic equation. One unknown with 2 degree. Now we are not referring to that. Our concentration is only on linear equation of one variable of 1 degree. Okay. Now what do you mean by solving the equation? Solving means finding the value of the unknown. Here there are unknowns here. So you should find a value. For example, in this case, value of x is 1 because 1 plus 3 is 4. The value of a is 8 here. Is it not? So finding the value of the unknown is called solving the equation. And also there are very interesting applications also. In the previous class we have seen ages. One of the most important applications of ages of father, son, grandfather, granddaughter, etc., etc. Comparing the ages, their linear equation will go a long way. And also in solving mensuration problems like areas, then circumference, etc., etc. of plane figures. There also these linear equations will go a long way. And also in case of fractions or numbers, etc., etc. So there are so many things like that. All these linear equations are made use of. Is it clear? And also we know that solving equations having variables on both sides, that also we have seen in the previous class. Suppose you have 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. So these are the variables on either sides. What is this side of this called as left hand side, LHS. LHS means what? left hand side. So, if you stand in front of the equation, this is called equal sign. Suppose they are not equal, what do you call it? Yes, they are called inequalities. That also you should know. Suppose you have a number like 6 and 5. What sign will you put in between? Can it be equal? No, they are not equal. Then what is that sign use? We use the sign greater than. 6 is greater than 5. They are called inequalities. Or if you are comparing 3 and 4, are they equal? No. What symbol you use? Less than 4. 3 is less than 4. Okay. So you have, so we have already seen the equations having variables on both sides like this. So left hand side and right hand side, RH is called right hand side. So all the problems on any equation should be verified. That is called checking of an equation. After getting the answer, you have to check the results. That is how you do it, by comparing the left hand side and the right hand side. So this is all what we have studied so far. Now coming to home assignment, what we have taken up. Have you worked out? Yeah, some of you have done it, right? Very good. Whenever some work is given, you must do it. But with prompt. Now come on. What is the unknown here? X. What is the degree of the unknown? 1. So what equation you call it? Call it as linear equation. How to solve it? Now other day we discussed that there is a transfer of signs. We call it as transposition. So here x should come on one side. So shall we bring it here? So you will have 3x minus 2x is equal to 18. What is 3x minus 2x? X is equal to 18. So you can have a check also. That is called verification or checking. How to check it? Wherever there is x in the left hand side, where is there is x, you put 18. So 3 into 18, that is equal to 54. And on the right hand side, you have 2x plus 18. 2x plus 18. What is the value of x? 8, x is 18. So 2 into 18, that is 36, plus 18, that is 54. So what do you observe? So we know that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So value of x is equal to 18 is correct. You can do orally also, but in some cases you cannot work out orally. Now coming to second question. Note down all this. Note it. Now see, x is on either sides, na? So we have to bring this side. So you get 2x plus x is equal to, come on, what do you write? 14 is there, minus 1 brought this side, plus 1. So 3x is equal to 15. X is equal to, what shall I write? X is equal to 15 by 3. 3 ones are 3 5s are. So therefore x is equal to 5 is the correct answer. Okay, wrote it. Now you substitute. That's called verification or checking. How to check it? Left hand side. What is given? 2x minus 1. What is the value of x? 2 into 5 minus 1. That is 10 minus 1 is 9. So if you take right hand side, what is there? 14 minus x. That is 14 minus 5. That is 9. So do you find that both are equal? Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. What does it mean? It means that the value of x is equal to 5 is correct. Noted? We pass on next problem. 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. There is a fraction here. So, in case of fraction, you must take LCM of these two. What is LCM of 3 and 15? How to do LCM? We studied in previous classes. 3 ones are 3 5s are. So, 3 into 5. That is 15 is the LCM. That 15 you must take as LCM and multiply on either sides. And you should note that whatever you multiply in the left hand side should be used the same numbers on the right hand side also. Multiplying by 15 on both sides. So, what do you get? 2x by 3 into 15, correct? Every term you have to multiply. Plus 1 into 15 is equal to 7x by 15 into 15 plus 3 into 15. Note it correctly. Every term multiplied by 15. What is that 15? It is LCM of the denominators. Now come on. 3 ones are 3 5s are. Then here 15 ones are 15 ones are. So 2 5s are 10x plus 15 is equal to 7x 13 15 into 3 45. So bring this x, always variables on one side, numbers on the other side. That's how you are solving. So you have 10x minus 7x is equal to 45 minus 15, that is 30. So 3x is equal to 30, x is equal to 30 by 3. Again transposition. It is multiplied here. When you bring it to the right side, it becomes divided. So 3 ones are 3 tens are. Therefore, x is equal to 10 is the answer. Now, whether it is correct or not, how do you do it? That is called checking. So, for checking, you must take left hand side and right hand side. What is the left hand side? 2x by 3 plus 1. 2 into x, 2 into 10 by 3 plus 1. That is 2 into 10 is 20. 20 by 3 plus 1. If you take LCM, 3, 20 plus 3. So you have 23 by 3. Correct? That is left hand side. Coming to right hand side. What is right hand side? 7x by 15 plus 3. It is actually not compulsory, but for our clarification, doing it. So LCM is 15. You have 7x. X means what? The value of x is 10. 7 into 10, 70 by 15 plus 3. LCM is 15. 70 plus 45. How 45? 15 into 3. That becomes 115 by 15. That is 5 2s are 10, 15, 5 3s are. So beautiful. See here. Here also 23 by 3. There also 23 by 3. What do you observe? Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Or you can say value of x is equal to 10 is correct. Noted? Very nice. Shall we pass on to today's topic? So, I think all of you noted down. You must be fast in noting down. Today's topic, applications, some more applications where the unknowns are on either sides. That's how little standard questions we are working out today. The sum of the digits of a number, 2-digit number is 15. So, 2-digit number is there. Can you give an example? 2-digit number. Say 45. The 2-digit number. How do you get 45? 45 can be got as 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1. Correct? This is called units place. This is called tens place. So, here we do not know what number it is, but we know that the sum of the 2 digits is 15. Sum of these two is 15, they say. For that, we have to create a number now. Let the digit in the units place be x, like this. Instead of 5, you are writing x. Then the digit in the tens place is 15 minus x. Why 15 minus x? Because they have given that the sum of the 2 digits is 15. So, if one is x, for example, if you have a number like 6 here, this becomes 50 minus 6, 9. Correct? So, the number becomes 96. Example, do not know what it is. So, like this. So, this is units place 6. This is 50 minus 6. And then you have, so origin number becomes 15 into 10 into 50 minus x plus x. Okay. So, here the question is, if the number formed by reversing the digit. So, number formed by reversing the digit. What do you mean reversing the digit? See 96 example. If you reverse it, what happens? 69 it becomes. Correct? They say by reversing the digits is less than the original number by 27. So, you must know how to reverse it. So, now what you must do? So, now number becomes, number is, so this is in the tens place. So, 10 into 15 minus x plus x. Correct? See 96 means 9 into 10 plus 6. This is 9 into 10 plus 6. 6 is called units place. This is called tens place. So, reversing what? Digits. The number becomes see here. Reversing means what? 96, if it is reversed, it becomes 69. What happens? That number, digit which was in the units place will come to 10 place. That which was in 10 place will go to units place. So, you have 10x plus, this was in the 10th place, will go to 15 minus x. So, you take this example. 96 was, suppose the number is 96, if you reverse it, what happens? 69 it becomes. So, 6 was in the unit place, it becomes a 10 place, and 9 was in the 10th place, becomes to unit place. That is what you did here. Correct? Now, we will solve the problem. Note it down. So, equation original number is 15 into 10 into 50 minus x plus x. So, suppose you remove it, what you have? 10 into 15, 150, 10 into x, 10x plus x. So, minus 10x plus x becomes minus 9x. So number becomes 150 minus 9x. On reversing the digit, the new number is, so this was the number, so it becomes 15x plus 15 minus x. So 10x minus 9x become 9x, 10x minus 1x become 9x, and plus 15. So 10x minus x is 9x plus 15. So this is what you get, correct? Now we say that the original number minus new number. So on reversing, suppose the number is 96, on reversing it becomes 69. So it becomes difference. How much? They say 27. So on reversing, the number which was 96 became 69, means there is a difference of 27. So now come on, original number 150 minus 9x minus new number 9x plus 15 is equal to 27, correct? So if you remove the bracket, 150 minus 9x minus 9x minus into plus minus 15 is equal to 27. Now all x's on one side. So you have minus 9x and minus 9, bring that side. It becomes 18x, minus 9x becomes plus 9x. This also plus 9x, 18x you get. Here 150 is there. 150 minus 15 plus 27, bring this side, minus 27. That is 135. 135 minus 27. How you got 135? 150 minus 15. Correct? 135. This is minus 27. 15 minus 7 is 8. 0. 108. So 18x is equal to 108. X is equal to 108 by 8. 18. 18 6. Therefore, value of x is equal to 6. Now we will verify it. If x is 6, what is x? X is the digit in the units place. Now what will be the in tens place? In tens place, so digit in the unit place is 6. Therefore, digit in the tens place that is sum is 15 they are given. 15 minus 6, that is 9. So what is the number now? Therefore, the number is, that is the answer. The number is, how to write number? Units place you have 6, tens place you have 9. So 96 is the number. So what you guessed also is correct. Suppose you reverse it, it becomes 69. So how to do checking? So 96, reversing is 69, answer is 27. That is what they are given. Original number, this is the original number 96. This is a new number. Subtract, you get 27. So what we have done is correct. Work it out? Okay. So we will pass on next problem. Ramu is twice as old as Somu. 5 years ago, his age was 3 times Somu's age. Find their present ages. So let us take Somu's age as X years. Why you must take Somu first? Because Ramu is elder to him. Now Ramu age becomes 2 times. Twice means what? 2 times. So X becomes 2X. Now 5 years ago, suppose your age is say 15 years now. 5 years ago how much it was? Yes? 15 minus 5, correct? 10. No sir, I am not 15, I am just 12 you may say. Now your age is 12, okay? 5 years before how much it was? 12 minus 5. 7, you are so short then. Is it not? So also here. It was X years, it is X years now. 5 years ago it is X minus 5. And 5 years ago what will be Ramu's age? His age is now 2X minus 5. Okay. Now equation. So 5 years ago his age was 3 times Somu's age. See, 2x minus 5 is equal to 3 into x, 3x minus 15. So bring this x this side, 3x minus 2x, okay, and bring this 15 this side, that is called transposition. So 15 minus 5 is already there, minus 15 becomes plus 15. So 15 minus 5, that is 10. So x is equal to 10. Now let us verify. That is called checking. If you check it, take here only. X is 10 years. So what is the answer you write? Therefore, Somu's age is equal to, we have taken as x, right? 10 years. And what about Ramu? Ramu's age is equal to 2x. 2 into 10, how much? 20. And how to verify? Equation becomes, suppose you apply it here. See, 2 into, so left hand side, 2x minus 5. How much? 2 into 20, 2 into 10, 20 minus 5, that is 15, correct? Coming to right hand side, we have 3x minus 15, that is 3x, 3 into 10, that is 30, minus 15, that is 15, correct? So what do you get? Left hand side is equal to right hand side, and therefore the value of x is equal to 10 is correct. Or age, Somu's age is 10 years, Ramu's age is 20 years. Correct? Noted down. So we will pass on to next question of the same type. Here what is the speciality? Speciality is that this is a linear equation again. There are unknowns on both sides. So that is a advanced problem. Okay. Now we will work out one more problem. The denominator of a ration number is greater than its numerator by 3. So you know what is a fraction. Suppose you write x by y. It's a fraction, correct? What is that x called? X you call it as numerator. You already studied. What is y called? Denominator. So be clear. That's why I did not read the next sentence. Here they are telling about a denominator of a ration number is greater than its numerator. So we will take numerator as x. Now what happens to denominator? That is 3 greater by 3. So x plus 3. So here x is a numerator, this becomes x plus 3, that is the meaning. Correct? Now if 3 is subtracted from the numerator, so if 3 is subtracted from the numerator, that is x minus 3, and 2 is added to denominator, denominator is x plus 3 plus 2, then the new number or new fraction becomes 1 by 5. So we can do cross multiplication in this case. So 5 into x minus 3 is equal to x plus 3 plus 2, x plus 3 plus 2, correct? So 5 into x how much? 5x minus 15 is equal to x plus 5, 3 plus 2 is 5, correct? So bring this x this side, always x should be positive, and minus 15 this side, 5 plus 15, 5 plus law of transposition, when there is plus in the left hand side, it goes to the right hand side, become minus. Here there is minus, it becomes plus. So 5x minus x becomes 4x is equal to 20. Therefore, x is equal to 20 by 4, that is 5. Okay, what is that x we have taken? Numerator x. What denominator becomes 5 plus 3, 8. So, original number or it actually is a fraction, is a ration number, is equal to 5 by, come on, 5 plus 3, 8, 5 by 8, that is the answer. You can verify it also. How do you verify? For example, if you put here x minus 3, that is 5 minus 3, that is 2. So checking, I will do here. It is not compulsory, but better you do it. So x minus 3 means 5 minus 3, correct? Here. Then 5 plus 5, 10. 5 plus 5. So this becomes 5 minus 3 by 10. 5 minus 3 by 5 plus 5. That is equal to 2 by 10. That is 1 za 5 za. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So what you have done is correct. Followed? X is 5, 5 minus 3, that is 2. And that is 5 plus 5, 10. So 2 by 10 means 1 by 5, already given as 1 by 5. So simple, but the question is so long. So understand clearly, what do you mean by a fraction, what is numerator, what is denominator, what is adding, what is subtracting, like that. Okay. So very nice. You followed? Okay. And let us see home assignments. Number 1, sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? Just as we done now. And next one, a grandfather is 10 times older than his grandson. He is also 54 years older than him. Find their present ages. Will you do it? Okay, let us see what Baba says. Bhagwan Baba's words. Short and sweet. Love all, serve all. And also, love is God, live in love. What is love? selflessness. Any action done with selflessness is called love. Okay? Mother loves her son or daughter. Correct? Because it is selfless love. Okay? That is what Baba says. Come prepared with the answers. Thank you.